In number 3, we've got find the real roots for 36 over x to the 4th plus 4 equals 25 over x squared. Now, this is a rational equation, and we're going to need to rewrite it without fractions. So in order to do that, we're going to identify the common denominator. In this case, x to the 4th seems like a denominator that I can get them all into. If I multiply this times x to the 4th, I have to multiply the numerator by x to the 4th. And if I multiply this by x squared, I have to multiply the numerator by x squared. So now I've got x to the 4th, x to the 4th, and x to the 4th. So I've got 36 plus 4x to the 4th equals 25x squared. Now all I've got to do is solve this. Let's get everything over on one side. We got 4x to the 4th minus 25x squared plus 36 equals 0. It looks kind of like a quadratic. I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to say h is equal to x squared and h squared is equal to x to the 4th. So I'm going to say this is 4h squared minus 25h plus 36. And now I'm going to go ahead and solve it like I normally would. I'll use the x factor. 4 times 36, so that's going to be 144. Negative 25, that's going to be the bottom here. I'm going to divide by 4. So let's see here. Two numbers that multiply to get to 144. Well, 1 and 44, 2 and 72, 3 and 48, 4 and 36. Notice how they get closer and closer to 25. Keep going. 6 times 24, 8 times 18. That's almost it. And then 9 times 16. That's going to give me 25. So it's going to be negative 9 and negative 16. So now remember, we've just figured out what h is equal to. H is equal to 9/4, and h is equal to 16/4. So now what I've got to do is replace the h with the x squared, because that's what it's equal to. And I got x squared is equal to 9/4, and x squared is equal to 16/4. So this is going to be x is equal to plus or minus 3/2. And then here, x is going to be plus or minus, 16 over 4 is equal to 4. So this is actually the square root of 4. So this is going to be plus or minus 2. All right, so those are my answers. Let's take a look at the next one.